Hello, it's Keith from Kinvert, and we're going to be going over another example of finding an inverse function. We're given the function f of x is x squared minus 4. I've gone ahead and drawn this out and graphed it. Okay, approximately, I really didn't sit here and measure it out, but this is about what it's going to look like. Let's just start with the steps, all right? So number one, we rewrite it as an equation. We're going to have y is x squared minus 4. Step 2, swap x and y. We've got x is y squared minus 4. Solve for y. All right, first I'm going to swap the sides. So I'm going to say y squared minus 4 equals x. And I want to isolate away the constants. Plus 4 plus 4. We've got y squared equals x plus 4. Now we've got to take the square root of both sides, and we're going to end up with y equals square root of x plus 4. And then finally we want to rewrite this as an inverse function is this. Ooh, I forgot something important here. This is with x is greater than or equal to 0. Okay? And yeah, so keep that in mind here. And so really this becomes for y, because you got to swap the x's and y's, this is for y is greater than or equal to 0. We can start to plot this, and it's going to look something like, oop, I messed that up a little. Oh well. Let me give it another shot. Let's see how it's going to go. All right, we'll try this again. Something like that. I don't know. All right. And, oh well. So that's about as good as I'm going to draw it. So let me draw where the steps happened. This is step 1. We're just rewriting it. And then we swap the x and the y. And then all of this is 3 through here. And then this is step 4. All right, yoink, yoink. So we've solved a slightly more complicated function here. Well, we didn't solve the function. We found the inverse function. And make note that, you know, this had to be for x is greater than or equal to 0. Now we could have done the same thing for x is less than 0. And really both of these would be the same, except you'd be changing out how this is written and how it's graphed. It would have graphed off on the opposite sides of the axes. But anyway, we went over another inverse function. This is Keith from Kinvert. This is part of our online course for pre-calculus and algebra. Hope you found this helpful, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.